On several occasions, the judiciary has been receiving complaints from the public about people masquerading as judicial officials, with some charging court fees from the unsuspected public. This trend of events has, in the long run, tarnished the image of the judiciary. Now, to address such vices and to also deal with corruption, the Judiciary Chief Registrar Salanangasiu has highlighted to public on the amount of money one has to pay when filing a case.
At the notice board, or at the registry, or where there is a front desk officer, you should be able to find that schedule of court fees displayed, so that you're also able to look and say, what will I expect to be assessed and charged to pay for this affidavit? You will look and see the amount saying it is 3,000 for this particular one. Once you have gone to the court and the amount payable has been assessed, one clear thing is that that money is payable in the bank. A poor person who cannot afford court fees has a right under the law to apply to be exempted. Court fees you paid, because I paid 2 million to file my claim of land, government give me back my money. No. Court fees are not refundable.
Langa also highlights on some of the unpaid court services from the judiciary to the public.
Documents that are administrative in nature, for example, a correspondence or a letter that you bring to the court does not attract a fee. One of them is the issue of production warrants. We have received several complaints where people are being charged up to even $1 million shillings to have people produced in court. But the clarity we are giving today is that a production warrant is free of charge.
The Chief Registrar, however, asked the general public to guide against masqueraders who pretend to be judicial officials in line of soliciting money from them. Judiciary also registered progress in line with court users who have collected bail refund, with 10 billion having so far been collected since 2021. In
financial year 2019-2020, the total claims that were made in that year were 1,365,250,000 shillings. That was before we started our sensitization. When we did our sensitization 2021-2022, it shot up to 1,753,980,000 shillings. So we can see the impact of giving people information.
Meanwhile, Worship James Ereemye Mawanda has been installed as the new Judiciary Public Relations Officer, replacing Justice Jameson Kalimani, who was recently elevated to a judge of High Court.
Biggest strategy I have shall be continuous engagements with you. I believe that there might emerge a lot of issues in the course of our interactions and in the course of the performance of our respective mandates. The only way we are able to be on the same page is to develop a deliberate and continuous engagement.
The predecessor Judge Jameson Kalimani applauded the media for working with him during his tenure.
I want to spread that I will be an example the other side, so that the other people whom we have been accusing, maybe who could have been doing that because they don't know the role you play, so that they can learn from me and see that you can work with you, that they can work with you and things can move smoothly.
Judge Jameson Kalimani served as the judiciary spokesperson since 2019. Deborah Namamonde, Susan Nabugode, UBC News.